Hey guys, a friend of mine recently asked me to install this universal wireless garage door keypad for her. It's made by Chamberlain, and I have listed to the left all the garage door openers to which it is compatible. It works great for family members who don't have their own opener. This model is backlit and is powered by a 9-volt battery. The installation was easy, and I want to show it to you step by step. So stick around and let's get after it. The contents of the box I received were in 3 parts: the keypad assembly, a pack of 2 screws, and instructions. The keypad unit has this cover with a lip that slides on grooves on either side and clicks into a detent at the top to hold it in place so the cover doesn't slide downward while you're keying in the code. The top screw hole used for mounting is revealed by pulling outward slightly on one of the sides of the cover and removing it. This battery cover must be removed to reveal the bottom screw hole location. Underneath this cover also lies the 9-volt battery, which came pre-installed. As stated earlier, the box arrived with these 2 Phillips mounting screws. Once the screws are dropped into position inside the top and bottom holes of the keypad unit, there is still a good inch of screw threads protruding from the rear for use in mounting. I like that the number pad lights up when depressed, allowing use at night. All parts were reassembled and the cover closed. Let's go do the install. To prevent curiosity in small children and animals, it is recommended you install the keypad 5 feet off the ground. While holding the keypad at the approximate mounting location, test the action of the door to determine proper clearance. The top and bottom mounting holes were so narrow, not even a thin mechanical pencil can be pushed through to mark the hole location. Instead, I'm just going to insert the screws through the holes and use my Phillips screwdriver to press on the screw heads to leave a mark on the wall showing where I should drill. A bubble level is used to square up the keypad prior to marking the holes. Immediately prior to tightening both screws, use the level once again. The battery, which was removed to mount the keypad unit, is now reinserted, and the cover reattached. Earlier, we confirmed that this overhead door brand was compatible with our wireless keypad unit, and here's the program button we will later use. Our opener was listed as ID number 5 on the instructions. For possible later reference, it's a good idea to write this number in the space provided, and don't just trash these instructions. For video purposes, I will shield the keypad from the sun using this piece of wood. Begin programming by holding down the star and pound keys until the flashing keypad lights go out. Enter the 4-digit PIN code of your choice and press the pound key. Then enter the opener ID number and press the pound key. If you recall, ours was 5. Using a stepladder, press the program button on your opener. Hold it down until the light appears. Then release. Back at the keypad, re-enter your 4-digit PIN number, then confirm by pressing 0. 0 acts as the enter key. Per the instructions for our model only, we are required to press 0 a second time only during this programming step. To test the finished product, key your 4-digit PIN number followed by 0. And this project is complete.